Hello, everybody. It's Jake Rahman here from the Simulation Collective. I hope you're all well. We're here at Huddersfield University for another first for the Simulation Collective and for the UK as well, as usual. We have the installation of a RadSim MRI simulator being installed at Huddersfield University. The reason why they were bought was because, or what they were developed was to acclimatize people for MRI units, children, adults that are claustrophobic, etc., people that had phobias against going into an MRI unit. And so these were built so it makes all the right sounds, all the right noises. It feels that it has that claustrophobic feel to it, and works just like a normal MRI unit, except it doesn't do real MRIs. And this was a way of acclimatizing those people to actually being in an MRI unit. But also as well, the reason why they've got it here at Huddersfield University is because they want to use it for simulation scenarios. If you've ever run a crash call in an MRI unit, I certainly have, from a practice point of view and a preparedness point of view. If you go into an MRI unit, you cannot use the same tools that you use in a normal crash call because it's a big magnet. Also as well, if somebody crashes on the table whilst they're having an MRI, or they have some sort of critical incident within there, it does require a lot of work for the team to be able to get access to the patient and treat that patient. And this is what the MRI unit, or the simulated one here, the RadSim, gives us. Within that, remember, Huddersfield University has got an R42 bariatric mannequin as well. So we're hoping as well to try out the simulated MRI unit with a simulated bariatric patient. How about that? All these things are real problem-solving solutions that we've provided through the Simulation Collective and through our partners around the world. Some of them are our ideas, but of course RadSim's been around for quite a long time now, and we are going between the lines in healthcare simulation, not doing the normal stuff that people do in healthcare simulation, just providing the odd mannequin here and there. What we do is actually solve problems, and this is our latest problem-solving device.